Lovie Poe, nagpaalam na sa Batang Quiapo. Ang kanyang mensahe panoorin. Nagbahagi ng mensahe si Lovie Poe sa pamamaalam ng kanyang karakter na si Mokang sa FPJ's Batang Quiapo. Nagpasalamat siya na nabigyan siya ng pagkakataon na maging parte ng teleseryeng kumakatawan sa obra ng kanyang ama. Sabi niya, hindi naging madali para sa kanya ang naging desisyon na iwan ang serye kung saan gumanap siya bilang si Mokang. Para naman kay Coco, sinabi ni Lovie na mananatili siyang tagahanga nito. Narito ang mensahe ni Lovie. A big part of my 2023 was breathing life into a character I have grown to love. What a privilege it was to play Mokang. She was a fighter and she taught me how it is to truly be free. It really was a tough decision for me. Narito din ang mensahe ng kanyang asawa sa kanya. I know this was such a special project for you Lovie Poe especially as it is part of FPJ's legacy. You made so many sacrifices for Batang Quiapo and put in so much time, love and dedication to bring the character Mokang that everyone loves to life. I'm so proud of your achievement on this show and was blessed to be able to watch you on set over the summer. It's a sad moment for Mokang but she would be proud to see all that you have in store for 2024. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang video na to. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Maraming salamat!